High ping in EAFC25 can disrupt your gaming experience, but there are several steps you can take to reduce it. Follow these steps to improve your connection and enjoy smoother gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it typically offers lower latency. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any applications or downloads running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, file downloads, and other online activities that can slow down your connection. Step 3. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service (QoS) features if available. This prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of internet traffic, helping to reduce ping. Step 4. Choose the right server. In the game settings, select a server that is geographically closer to you. Playing on a server that is near can significantly lower your ping. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or offer upgrades for better performance. By following these steps, you can help reduce high ping in EAFC25 and enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy your game.